Hello, this is my video for EDL 852, Intro to School Admin, Module 1. My name is Mark Dudley. I currently teach world history to 9th through 11th graders, depending on if they're on ahead of schedule or kind of behind. I teach at White Knoll High School, which is part of Lexington School District 1 in South Carolina. I'm currently a part of our Leadership Academy, which involves learning more hands-on what it takes to be an administrator. Actually, part of this academy, I get to become an AP for a day, where we sit in an AP's role, handle some of their responsibilities. Some of our assistant principals are a part of an aspiring principal cohort, so they're off campus doing other things to get them ready for possibly taking over a school. So there's a group of us that's part of the Leadership Academy that is being taught and mentored to become the next kind of group of APs in our school and in our district. I'm also a part of the School Improvement Council, where we're looking at core values and then diving into deeper what it takes to get our school where we need to be as far as academics in the community and so forth. As far as my exposure to leadership, along with being a teacher going into my 9th year, I'm also a coach. I've coached baseball for the last 10 years and been a part of several programs, whether it been baseball, football, even helped with basketball in the past from a leadership capacity there. I'm also done some minor administrative work in our school, where I've monitored and been in control of our lunch detention program at school for the past year and a half. Done some small work with discipline and working with students, trying to kind of push them in the right direction. One of the reasons why I'm really looking forward to this class and looking forward to earning this degree is just to learn more about what it takes to really create change, learn about the processes, what it takes, and really be in the rooms where culture is determined, where process and education is determined, and kind of really impact the way the education is moving in the future. I don't like necessarily to be told exactly how to do things. I want to be in meetings that I can influence change. I can influence new directions for our schools, new direction for education. And I love really working with teachers. I think that we spend a lot of time trying to influence our students. And I know professional development is a big key, but I don't know if we spend enough time actually working with our teachers, with mindset, with the reason why we do things. And I think as an administrator, I'll be more of a coach of teachers as I am now of a coach of students. And I think that kind of change, I'm very much looking forward to working with teachers and figuring out what makes them click, and so that we can get the best possible outcome all together. Like I said, I'm really looking forward to this becoming a school administrator. I'm looking forward to learning more about what it takes. I'm looking more about getting behind closed doors, seeing how decisions are made. I look forward to learning from everyone in this class and everyone that I come in contact as I get this degree. Thanks for your time.